Anya Chawali. Famous YouTuber, choreographer and a performer across the globe.
डांस करने वाले भी दो तरह के लोग होते हैं, एक जो स्टेज पर करते हैं जिन्हें दुनिया जानती है, और एक जो डीजे पर करते हैं उन्हें सिर्फ उनके घर वाले जानते हैं। हाय, मैं हूं गगन मिनोचा फ्रॉम प्रिज्म आर्ट। आज हमारे साथ स्टूडियो में मौजूद है वो जिनका मानना है कि वो खुश होती हैं तो वो डांस करती हैं, खुश नहीं भी होती तो भी वो डांस करती हैं ताकि वो खुश हो सके। जिन्होंने डांस को अपनी जिंदगी का सिर्फ एक हिस्सा नहीं बनाया, डांस को एक अपनी जिंदगी बना लिया। शी इज द यूट्यूब सेंसेशन, शी इज Tanya Chamoli. Hi, welcome and thank you for your precious time. I would like to know, dance is your hobby or passion? Or hobby थी, passion में तब्दील हो गई, what was that?
Actually, it's a mixture of both. So, dancing has been my hobby since I was a kid. And मुझे हमेशा से पता था कि I'll do something in dancing only in my future. But yeah, initially it was hobby because इतना support नहीं था. And then I worked so hard, I kept working in dancing and it turned into a passion, it turned into my life from passion and thus hobby to passion to life.
Oh, that's great. YouTube पर वीडियोस डालना आपका एक मतलब शौक के लिए डाली थी या बस कि आप दूसरों को दिखाना चाहता है कि I have something?
No, actually initially जब मैंने कॉलेज में डांस स्टार्ट करा तो I had a lot of good videos that I used to perform and shoot. So I just used to put it on YouTube just for myself ताकि मुझे as a memory याद रहे कि मैंने पुराने टाइम में कॉलेज में ये परफॉर्मेंस दी थी, ये करा था, ऐसे I used to dance and I wanted to see my growth during the span of the journey. And then in 2015 I decided कि let's make official videos and that's how I just shot the video and started posting on YouTube. I never had this motive to be a YouTuber. It just happened with time.
So I've heard hard work forever pays. आपने बहुत hard work किया, so आपको of course बहुत सी achievements भी मिली होंगी। अपनी achievements के बारे में audience को please बताएंगे।
One of the biggest achievement is Cheap Thrills that got so much viral, and it was shared by Sean Paul, Ashton Kutcher, Carmen, and it got all over world, so much popularity. Yeah, and then in 2015 I was awarded the best female dancer in Delhi University by Delhi Dance Fever, so that was also one great moment for me. Other than that, BFAB mein also I was given the most creative solo dancer and the most wow female dancer in 2015 itself, and I think 2015 was the year because there was this V Fest. So I won the solo impromptu Delhi zonals also in 2015. So yeah, these are some of the biggest achievements that I feel.
Okay, heartbreaks, struggles, sacrifices, ups and downs, इन achievements की journey जो थी उसमें बहुत से रहे होंगे आपके, उसके बारे में आपने कैसे cover up किया उन सब heartbreaks को, struggles को, उसके बारे की journey थोड़ा सा बताएंगे।
See, everyone faces hardships, be it dancing, be it singing, acting, the white collar jobs, the normal, whatever you do, you face hardships, you face ups and downs. But being an artist, you face it more. Because artist एक ऐसी job है जो regular नहीं है. So the biggest thing that all the artists face is money. Because we don't have a proper source of income which is constant.
लोग क्या कहेंगे, डांस में कोई स्कोप नहीं है, दुनिया का काम है कहना। तो आपकी फैमिली ने आपको ऑफ कोर्स सपोर्ट किया होगा, तो अपनी फैमिली सपोर्ट के बारे में बताया, आपने दुनिया को इग्नोर करते हुए अपने पैशन को फॉलो किया।
So like you said, लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना। This is the same mentality me and my family has. So my parents have never been against my dancing, but they have been against me taking it as a career. वो हमेशा से मुझे कहते थे कि apply for a government job, do something and keep dancing along with it. So government job gives so many what do you call them? Yeah, facilities and all that. So you can dance along with it. They don't have any problem me dancing. जबकि in our society, in India especially, dancing is something which is considered to be uh, not so,
Good thing.
yeah, that's what. And same is in my family, like not in my personal parents, but relatives. Sabki mentality is obviously backward. So my parents have almost ignored them and made me follow my dreams and never stopped me from doing that. Uh, as my journey went on, they saw that I was, working so hard for my dancing and making a career out of it, and like I have achieved so many things in my dancing thing. So with time, they agreed for me to dance because उन्होंने देखा कि मैं कितना hard work करती हूँ, कितना passionate हूँ और कितना into it हूँ, and they're watching me working every day, and there's so many achievements that I'm getting back. So they were finally convinced and they allowed me to go ahead and dance.
That's good. Ma'am, you also come up with an idea of making a dance group, Beware. What was that? क्या जहन में थे आपके ग्रुप बनाने के पीछे?
Beware is an all-girls group which is very fierce and very delicate at the same time. It focuses more on girl power and how girls can be bold and strong and at the same time sassy and feminine. So yeah, so that's basically my dance style, which is very girly and very jazzy and feminine. So I came up with this idea of making an all-girls crew, and I asked all the team members who are right now in the crew and to be a part of it if they wanted to be. And everyone was quite impressed and quite convinced that we should all come together because I used to get a lot of work that was related to all girls. And thus we came together for so much work that I used to get in my everyday today life. So initially it was not a crew, it was a team that we had just come together and we do work that we get. But dhire dhire our bond grew so strong, and like even our body styles started matching with each other and we started to complement with each other. So that's how everyone decided, let's turn this team into a crew. And then finally we had this all girls crew called Beware, which is killing on the streets right now. Yeah.
Now I would like you to share some tips to upcoming artists. हमारे audience में बहुत से ऐसे artists होंगे जो आपके जैसा बनना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए कुछ tips देना चाहेंगे आप?
I would just like to tell you all that believe in yourself, keep following your dreams. You'll face ups and downs in your life. In artist journey, हमेशा ups and downs होंगे ही. But you need to believe in yourself and let that fire not get extinguished, and keep following and keep pursuing and keep running after your dreams and never give up.
The last question I want to ask, what is Prism Art for you?
Prism Art is an amazing platform that you guys are providing to the upcoming artists. So all the artists who are famous in this world, in this country, have a platform. All of them get a platform to tell about themselves, describe their journey and blah blah blah. But for the upcoming artists, this is a very good platform that you guys are providing, and I hope it reaches out to many people and many people get inspired from it.